Guys, Volkswagen mechanic back with another tutorial or video on how to fix things. And I know my symbol is a VW and I usually do stuff on Volkswagens, but today I'm going to be doing another video on my Troy Bilt pony. It's a 2011 or 2012 tractor, and it's a 7-speed transmission. It's manual. But today I'm going to be showing you how to tighten the steering on it, because I found out in this I found out driving this mower that the steering gets loose quite a bit. We actually lost a bolt to it once. So you need to make sure it's tight a lot, because otherwise you might lose the bolt, and that wouldn't be good. So we had to replace the bolt, and now I always make sure it's tight. So anyway, first things first, make sure to lift the hood so you can get at it. The steering is actually in there. That right there is the bolt. So anyway, I'm going to get set up here. And also another thing, what you'll need to do this, you can either use a crescent wrench, although that's not too convenient, but you'll need, if it's the same year as mine, 2011, 2012 Troy Bilt pony, then you will need a 9/16 wrench to do it. And then I have another one here, because, you got to get on the bottom, too. So, yeah, that's what you'll need. Sorry, guys. Okay. Almost ready here. Bear with me. Okay, I'm going to set you guys here so you can see. So anyway, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this long wrench. Oh, and make sure the engine is cool, too. Make sure you don't do this right after you run the tractor, because if you do, then you might burn yourself on the hot engine. So don't try that. So I'm going to put this long wrench on top. And then I'm going to go underneath and try to find the bolt underneath so I can put this wrench on underneath, because you need to hold the bolt. You need to hold the nut underneath so it doesn't slip. So it doesn't slip while you're trying to tighten it. Then the whole thing will move and it won't tighten at all. Okay. There, I got it on. Okay, so make sure you got a wrench on the... Man! There. Now, don't move. Okay, make sure you have a wrench on the bottom, because if you don't, it could, oh, sorry. Because the whole thing would move and you wouldn't be doing any good. So anyway, take the wrench and turn it to the right. Top wrench you're going to turn to the right. Or no, I'm sorry. To the left. Take the top wrench and turn it to the left. I usually prefer this box end of the wrench, because it grips the thing better, but if you can use either end. So get the top wrench and turn it to the left. And sometimes you got to switch around. So it works. So it's pretty tight now. I'm going to tighten it a little bit more. And then we're going to test the steering. And usually, by the way, this is also manual steering. This is not power steering. So, I didn't show you how loose it was before, but when it gets loose, you can turn the steering wheel. Has a lot of slop in it. Has a lot of play. Okay, it's pretty good now. You don't want to ever over-torque the bolt, too. I hope I'm not over-torquing it. Okay, it's pretty good now. So now I'll show you the finished results. Oh, and then, of course, make sure to close the hood here. And then also test it. So see, it doesn't have much play. That's about how much play it has. Usually it has a lot more, like it can go probably out to about there with the play, but now it's only about this much. And then if I turn it, that's the play, and then if I turn it, turns the wheels. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. That's how you tighten the steering on this kind of mower. And if you like the video, make sure to press the thumbs up button, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch all my other content too. Thank you.